Hello, I'm Craig Schuler with Synergis Software, and I'm going to introduce you to how the Adept document management software integrates with SOLIDWORKS. Adept is a full-featured SOLIDWORKS Gold certified PDM product that scales easily from workgroups to large global enterprises. Adept's SOLIDWORKS integration streamlines your design workflow, ensures there's a single version of the truth, makes design reuse easier, can automate your engineering change process, and has integrated visualization, markup, and compare. Let's start by taking a look at the Adept task pane integration from within SOLIDWORKS. First and foremost, the integration enhances design productivity by giving fast access to parts, assemblies, and drawings stored in Adept directly from the SOLIDWORKS application. The task pane can be moved around, minimized, or resized. Some CAD users place the task pane on a second display screen for easy access. Here in the top section, a user has multiple search tools. I can do a simple search using the first few characters of the file name as my search criteria. Users can pick from a list of fields to create searches using one field or multiple fields. This allows users to search by job number or part number or other keywords. Users can also access SOLIDWORKS files in a folder structure they are familiar with from the library browser, or switch to the work area and see the drawings that are currently in a work-in-progress state. The results section in the middle can be configured to show the data each user wants to see by adding and removing columns. In the document dashboard across the bottom, we can see additional information about the file. In the lower left corner is a tree structure. Here we are able to view parent-child references created by SOLIDWORKS. With the Where Used tab, a user can see what parents a child has. The Child tab allows you to see the version of each child and its status. The Configuration tab displays the part or assembly configuration information. And on the Thumbnail tab, you can see the thumbnail from the native file as a preview. With the task pane, users have the ability to open SOLIDWORKS files read-only for reference purposes or checking out to edit. When a SOLIDWORKS file is checked out, a new version is created and locked to that user. Only one user can edit a file at a time. Opening files is a simple drag and drop from the task pane into the editor. Let's swap in a different flange for part 304. Once the SOLIDWORKS part, assembly, or drawing is open, the task pane can be used to create and manage references between the different SOLIDWORKS files as you insert or attach them. With Adept, the parent-child references will not get broken. References are maintained even as files are checked out and in, copied, moved, renamed, and routed through workflows. Switching to the Adept desktop interface, we can see the built-in viewer. This viewing technology will allow you to view hundreds of different file formats. With parts, assemblies, and drawings, you can zoom in and out. Parts and assemblies can be rotated around to different angles. Assemblies can be exploded, and you can create cut views to see how an assembly goes together. You can print, and you can create red lines or markups. Here, let's create a markup suggesting a change to this assembly. Here we see the data card, which contains all the metadata fields about your documents. Each Adept customer defines the fields they want to track and has unique data card layouts based on the defined fields. Adept allows a bi-directional mapping between SOLIDWORKS properties and the fields on the data card. This mapping integration allows you to keep data in sync between Adept and the parts, assemblies, and drawings, like description, part number, revision, and more. No need for duplicate data entry. That's a quick overview of the Adept integration with SOLIDWORKS. If you'd like to learn more, please schedule a personalized demonstration.